Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with DocuSign eSignature. Review my usage experience. DocuSign eSignature. Review my usage experience offers a way to analyze your DocuSign eSignature usage data. It's primarily aimed at businesses and individuals who use DocuSign extensively and want to understand their spending patterns, document signing trends, and overall platform usage. Key features likely include data visualization, reporting tools, and potentially cost analysis. Their website provides details on the specific features offered. DocuSign's website highlights the ability to gain insights into your eSignature activity. It emphasizes ease of access to your usage data, allowing for better budget management and process optimization. They claim clear and transparent pricing, although specific details on this are best found directly on their site. The service leverages DocuSign's existing infrastructure, offering a seamless integration with your existing account. Availability is tied directly to having a DocuSign account. You'll need to log in to access the review tool. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using DocuSign eSignature. Review my usage experience. Getting started was incredibly simple. I logged into my existing DocuSign account and the review tool was readily accessible from the main dashboard. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly found the reports I needed. For example, I was easily able to generate a report showing the total number of documents signed per month over the past year. This allowed me to see seasonal trends in our document signing needs. The performance was excellent, reports generated quickly, and the data visualizations were clear and easy to interpret. I had a quick question about a specific metric and their support responded within 2 days via email, a reasonable response time. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the reports were, allowing me to analyze everything from the number of signatures to the average time taken to complete a document. One minor drawback was the lack of customizable report templates. You're limited to the preset options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with DocuSign eSignature. Review my usage experience. It gave me valuable insights into my DocuSign usage and helped me understand where we could improve our processes. That's my overview of DocuSign eSignature. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.